your child's app for the complete learning experience. Numbers, letters, colors, and more. Dozens of games, videos, and activities are all waiting for your little one to learn and enjoy. First, the complete learning experience. Search for BF100 on the app stores.
Download first.
He's Harry the bunny. He loves to be funny and play every morning when everything's sunny. When the morning comes to stay, he loves to play all day. He's the sunniest bunny. It's Harry the bunny.
I'm the funniest, sunniest
Harry the bunny. He's Harry the bunny.
Oh, hello everybody. I'm Harry the bunny. Oh. What is it? Oh, it's shaped like a circle. Is it a basket for carrots? Oh. No. There's a top on it. What is it? Oh. Oh. Oh, it makes a sound. Oh, I know. It's a drum. Listen to that. What if I use this stick? Ooh. Oh. Listen to that. That makes a loud sound. I know. It's a drumstick to play the drum. Bum 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 bum. Drum 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 drum. Drum drum drum. Drum drum drum. Drum drum drum. It makes music. And it's very noisy. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, bunny bunny.